For a mother who deserves so much, thanks. For the countless things you've done without receiving any thank you in return. For the many gifts of love, wisdom, caring, and encouragement. For the way you make being a mother seem like the best job in the world. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Dear Mimi, thank you for all the great things you've done for me and us. I want you to know that we love you from Ava. Thank you. And now to Tabby. Take it away. Video. You can video or take it.
So, this is for the thing that you already
video
saw.
you?
But the symbolization
Video you?
of it, I don't care.
Oh, you made one for me?
Okay, just listen. No, we can hear you loud. Okay. Within every life and relationship, there are layers that God created in us that are labeled as clear as glass. You are born man or woman, ethnicity determined, and your birth date is set. However, these factors begin to change as you evolve. The clearness of the glass starts to get tainted, or better yet, tinted. A tint to give a more vibrant look that expresses who we are becoming. As the tint grows and speaks to cover the glass, we adorn ourselves with embellishments. These can be physical things, but also characteristics, such as, are we ever aligned so perfectly to where we never step aside for fun? Or do we kind of allow our embellishments to twist and fold and bend? This means we allow ourselves to follow a path that resembles that of a pattern, but yet goes its own way. This is what makes us unique in who we are. The beautiful part of our embellishments or decor is the ability to change it, to mold it and share the amazing qualities of it with others. This is done by allowing the light that is within you to shine out. The light doesn't need to be blindly illuminating, for God still needs us to remain humble in our walk. And although our insides are tinted and decorated, the smallest amount of light that we shine outward makes the biggest impression on life. Once our light shines, we must also find a way to protect all of who we are. We do this by covering ourselves with love from God and our children. Thank you for being my lantern to light the way and helping to guide my path. Thank you for never dimming your light and always encouraging me to let mine shine. I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. Honey. You wrote that for Mom. That's so pretty.
And that's the reason why I had the kids make the lantern.
Oh my God, look at this. I didn't know y'all made one for me. This is so pretty. Look, styles.
You ready?
You can do my wallet?
Close your eyes. Stop.
Yeah, it's good.
Open your hands. Close your eyes. And
Uh-oh.
open.
Oh my God.
Ava made that for you.
Oh my God. How'd you do this? This is so pretty.
In memory of all the mothers.
Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Oh my God.
We won.
Thank
Competition?
Okay. Ava, this is beautiful.